Class 1 EVS. Okay, let's start now. Class 1 EVS. So today we'll do this part. We have finished the chapter. This was your homework. Now today we'll do this one. Match the following. This one you can do eyes, ears, tongue and nose. This one you do by yourself. You match it. Okay. Now sense or this one you have finished. Let's do the exercise. Find the organs hidden in the grid. Organs are there. All the sense organs are there to find out. Now ears is done for you. So next you can do tongue. Okay, like this you find the sense organs. All the sense organs are here. Okay, eyes, ears, see eyes, ears, then nose will also be there. N-O-S-E, nose. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin will be there. Skin is also there. S-K-I-N. Find out skin. S-K-I-N. Skin, see. Clear? So all the sense organs you got it. Now do this one. Match the following. You see with your eyes. This one you will do homework. Hear, ears, smell, nose, taste, tongue, feel, skin. This one also you will do by yourself. Which sense organs tell you that an apple is red? Which sense organ tells us? Right, eyes. Okay. Someone is singing in the next room. Which sense organ tells? Ears. Right, ears. E-A-R-S, ears. The coffee smells nice. This will be what? The coffee smells nice will be smelling. Yes, nose. An ice cube is cold. Skin. You feel that it is cold. Mango is tasty. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Clear? So this one you will do. This one also you will do by yourself. Now see. Answer the following question. This one also you will do by yourself. What is the function of the nose? Nose help us to smell. Nose help. This one you will do in EVS copy. Question answers. What is the function of the nose? Nose help us to smell. What helps us to read books? Eyes helps us to read books. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. Okay. What is the function of nose? Nose help us to smell. What helps us to read books? Eyes help us to read books. We have 5 sense organs. Very easy. This question answers you can do by yourself. Okay. All of you do this one in your copy. So this one will be your homework. This one will be your homework. Clear? This two. This one you will do in copy and you will take the picture. Okay. Click and send it. And this one you will do here. Okay. Now let's go to the. This is 19.5. Okay. This is 19.5. If you have any problem, I will send you these answers in the group. If you have any problem, okay. Now, next let's start a new chapter today. Now, that is lesson 4. Taking care of my body. Write the date. 19.5. Taking care of my body. Now, how can you take care of your body? Now, see. Okay. Now, look at the picture A and B. Cross the one which shows a bad habit and circle the one which shows the good habit. This is a bad habit. Cross it and circle the one which shows a good habit. Clear? Now, we need to take care of our body so that it remain healthy. Okay. Only a healthy body can have a healthy mind. Okay. If you have a healthy body, you will have a healthy mind. We need to take care of our body. Why? To remain healthy. If you take care of your body, you will be healthy. Only a healthy body has a healthy mind. Now see. The way I keep my body clean. How do you keep your body clean? Now see. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. I always remember to clean my tongue. I always remember to clean my tongue. Okay. Next. Turn the page. I take a bath every day to clean myself. I take a bath every day to clean myself. I use soap and water to scrub my body and wipe it dry with a clean towel. Now every day you take bath, okay, and to clean yourself, okay. Why you take bath? To clean yourself. You use soap, okay. Soap, you know, that foams to remove the dirt from your body. I use soap and water to scrub. You scrub so that dirt will remove, to remove the dirt and my body, and then after taking the bath I wipe it, okay. I wipe it with a clean towel. Okay, isn't it? You dry yourself by what? With a clean towel. I wear a neat and clean cloth. After that, you wear a neat and clean dress, clothes. I use a comb to keep my hairs in place. Use a comb to keep your hairs in proper place. An adult in the family use a nail cutter to trim my nails and toenails. Okay, someone who is big helps you to cut your nails with a nail cutter to trim your nails, to cut your nails, your hand nails, and your the toenails means the leg one, the foot nails. Okay, toenails. I eat food that keeps me healthy. I eat food that keeps you healthy. What foods? Fruits, vegetables, and fruits keeps you healthy, and help me to grow strong. Food help you to grow strong also. I call this food my diet. You call this food what? Diet. Diet means the food you eat. I chew my food well. If you chew your food well, then you will digest it. That they will be digested very properly. Okay. Okay. Otherwise, it takes a lot of time to digest the food. So you should chew your food well. I eat food. Why? You take food to keep yourself healthy and to grow strong. I call the food we eat is called what? Diet. And you should chew the food well so that it can be digested properly. Next, I drink plenty of water. You have to drink a lot of water. It's very good to drink plenty of water. I always wash my hand before and after meals. Okay, you have to always wash your hand before eating and after eating your meals. Okay, clear? Now, my body needs exercise to stay strong. Your body needs what? Exercise. You have to do exercise. Why? To stay strong, to make your body strong and fit. I play games. Okay, playing games is a good exercise. How can you do exercise? By playing games also you can do exercise. Okay, playing games is a good exercise. I visit the doctor when I'm ill. I go to a doctor when I'm not well, when I'm ill. Okay, my body needs plenty of rest and sleep. Okay, your body needs plenty of rest and sleep. I go to bed early at night and wake up early in the morning. Going to bed early at night and waking up early in the morning is a good habit. Okay, so your body needs plenty of rest and sleep. Okay, and you go to bed early and wake up early is a very good habit. Okay, for today this much. We have finished the chapter. Okay, now tick the good habits and cross the bad habits. Behind ears while begging. To good habit. Rabi cleans behind his ears while having a bath. Good habit. Adil often picks his nose with his finger. Bad habit. Sonu washes his hand properly before and after meals. Good habit. Clear? And for today, this much. Clear? For today, this much. Okay? And you will do this one homework. This one you will do homework, and this one you will write in your book, and this one you will do by yourself, and this one you will match by yourself. You do the matching. Okay? So this one you will do in a EVS copy, and you will take the picture and send in the group. This one you match it and take the pic. Okay? For today, this much. Thank you.